welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about TurboCoin, one of the most discussed cryptocurrencies in the market. We'll cover its current price, market trends, and future price predictions. So stick around till the end. Right now, TurboCoin is trading at $0.002. Over the past 90 days, its price has dropped by 50%, but today, we're seeing signs of a potential recovery. The market cap is currently $272 million, and the total supply of Turbo is 69 billion tokens. One of the biggest factors to watch is Turbo's all-time high of $0.014 and its all-time low of $0.0015. The current price is still far below its ETH, meaning there could be significant room for growth if momentum picks up. Analyzing the price charts, we can see that TurboCoin is sitting near a strong support level. The last time it was at this price, it saw a major rally, and with the current bullish sentiment in the market, we might see a similar move soon. Hashtag TurboCoin price prediction for 2025. Heavy checkmark short-term target asterisk if buying pressure increases. The price could rise to $0.004 to $0.006. Heavy checkmark midterm target asterisk if market conditions remain favorable. Turbo could reach $0.008 to $0.010. Heavy checkmark long-term target. 2025 TurboCoin has the potential to revisit $0.014 or even break past it, depending on adoption and market trends. The key factors driving Turbo's growth include its strong community, increasing trading volume, and overall crypto market trends. However, as with all cryptocurrencies, price fluctuations are expected, so make sure to stay updated, do your research, and manage your risk wisely. That's it for today's TurboCoin update. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.